Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. So today we will discuss about the list operation in Python. This is also in your syllabus this time. List is a type of data type structuring method that allows storing of the integers or the character in an order indexed by starting from 0. It means that list, if you are giving the instruction, if you are storing the data, it store a integer value or any other character in a ordered way, and it starts the list address with 0. List operations are the operations that can be performed on the data in a list data structure. A few of the basic list operations used in Python programming are, these are the list, extend function, insert function, append function, remove function, pop function, slice function, reverse function, minimum and maximum function, concatenate function, count function, multiply function, sort function, index function, clear function, etc. Means some more are there. And here my list is 1, 2, 3, edu, CBA makes learning fun. This is the my list. Let's discuss the list one by one. First one is append function. What is the use of this? The append function method is used to add elements at the end of the list. This means can only add a single element at a time. To add multiple elements, the append function method can be used inside a loop. Last class we had discussed about the loop. In that loop, if you want to add some another list after that end of the list, so we are using our append list. How list? See the code mylist dot append 4. Here my list is given here. Here append 4. It will find out the address of the append 4, then append 5, append 6, or in one in range. Range we had discussed earlier, and then my list it will print dot append y. It means if you want to add about the my list after that, it will come to the my list my list function, and then it will print the my list with append 4, 5, 6. Then extend. The extend method is used to add more than one element at the end of the list. Although it can add more than one element, unlike append, it adds them the end of the list like append. Extend means it add more than one element. If you want to add more than element, then you have to give their my list, then extend. 4, 5, 6 their value is there, and range, if you find the my list range is given there, after that it will display. Then come to the third, insert function. The insert function can add an element at a given position in the list. Thus, unlike append, it can add element at any position, but like append, it can add only one element at a time. This makes two arguments. The first argument specifies the position of, and second argument specifies the element can be inserted. Means insert means in between, if you want to insert though, so you have to give the address of that particular the position of that particular arguments, and the second one which you want to insert. Here my list insert. Insert is given here. Here if you are giving the 3, 4 means first one is the position, second one is what? The element. Like this, if you are inserting my list first 3, 4, second 4th place, 5th you have to add, and the third one 5th place, 6th you have to add. Then print the my list. Here the output is given here. See the output, it will display according to the insert function. Then come to the remove. The remove function method is used to remove an element from the list. In case of multiple occurrence in the same element, only the first occurrence is removed. So here multiple occurrences are there, so you have to if you are giving the remove function, only the first element will remove first and the second one the second times. Then here you have to give the functions what you want to remove. Makes learning fun is given there. Then that makes you have to insert at the 4th position, and the learning you have to insert at the 5th position, and so much you have to insert in the 6th position. So here 4, 5, 6 position is given there. That position you are inserting. First makes, then 5th learning, 4th place makes, 5th place learning, and the 6th place so much function. Here like this, according to the position it will add. See the output is given here. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and 6th place it displays like this. Then pop. The method pop function can remove an element from any position in the list. The parameters applied to the method in the index and the element to be removed. It means here pop means any place, any position if you are giving, only you have to give the parameter, and that parameter it shows. It means we are giving the here pop, you are writing pop 4. The fourth place makes is given here. Then fifth place learning is given. Sixth place so much is given. So here pop is given, it means pop you have to remove, that here the removed portion. Removed portion means makes the removed portion will not display in the output. Then come to the slice. The slice operation is used to print a section of the list. The slice operation returns a specified range of the element. It does not modify the original list. Means the slice portion, it will print the range of a particular element. It will display. It means it will list out. So here print what you want to print, the fourth one, then print beginning from to the index. Like this print command is used to print that line we are giving. Then here mylist 2 position is given, mylist 2 4 position is given. At the last it will show what it will show the program starting from here. What it will show the remove function. First it is show the first part of mylist 1 2 3 educom, and then again the position is given there. According to the position it display the fourth position, fifth position, eduba and edu CBA and the makes learning fun. Like this it shows. Then reverse position. The reverse operation is used to reverse the element of the list. This first modifies the original list. To reverse a list without modifying the original one, we use the slice operation with negative slice. Specify negative indicates the iterate the list from the rear end and the front end of the list. So if you want to reverse the element, reverse the element list, so we are using the reverse function. This used to reverse the list without modifying any list. One by one it reverse. The reverse function is print mylist. Mylist means if a double colon minus 1 is we are using the negative form. Does not modify the original list. Means it will not modify the original list. It will only reverse the list. So like this it will reverse. They make learning function and add 3 to 1. Like this it will reverse the list without any changes. Then len. The len method returns the length of the list, that is the number of the list. It means if you want to display the number of list, the list is given there length. Len function is used to find out the length of the list. Here we are calling the mylist. Length of list is 5, it is given here. Then come to the minimum and maximum. How to find? The minimum method returns the minimum value, the maximum method returns the maximum value. Both methods accept only the homogeneous list having similar type. So here you are giving the minimum. So here minimum mylist is given. So output is error. Why error is printed here? So we had not given any position. Position if you are giving 1 2 3, so here which is the minimum, which is the maximum, it is given. The first one is minimum 1 is given, the second one minimum 3 is given. Then what do you mean by count? Count function is used to return the number of occurrence given element. So if you want to count the value, it will go. So count 3, third position, how much the element is given. Element list is given only 1, so 1 will be displayed here. Then concatenate. The concatenate operation is used to merge two lists and return a single list. The plus sign is used to perform the concatenation. Note that the individual lists are not modified and a new combined list is written. So concatenate means merging the two lists. If you want to merging the two lists, here your list is given 4 and 5. The pattern is fun. Like this the list is given, and if you want to add my list to your list, so first you have to call the my list, then give the sign of concatenation means plus, then your list data is given here 4,5 Python is fun. So like this, here first my list data will display here, after that 4 5 Python is fun, the list of your list is given, both concatenate together. Then multiply. Python also allow multiplying the list n times. The resultant list is the original list iterate n times. So it allows the multiplication also. If you want to give the multiplication, suppose my list, if you want to multiply by 2, then my list multiplied by 2 means twice it will display. Like this the output will come. Then come to the index type. The index method returns the position of the first occurrence of the given element. It takes two optional parameters, the begin index and the end index. These parameters define the start and end position of the search area on the list. When supplied, the element search can be sublisted bounded by the beginning and end slice. When not supplied, the element in search whole list. If you want to see the index of the list, position index of the list, so we are using the index. It will show the beginning index and the end index with the help of two parameters you have to give. So here you are giving the index of EduCBA in the whole list. It will show and give the position like this here. That EduCBA is not in the list, it is given here, so it will not showing the index. Then sort. The sort method sorts the list in ascending order. These operations can be only performed the homogeneous list, means list is having the similar way, similar type, means sort. If you want to sort this, so your list is given 4 2 6 5 0 1, and if you are calling your your list to sort function, then like this it will sort 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then clear. This function erase all the elements from the list and empties. If you want to clear all the list, so if you are giving, means here clear you have to write, sort is given here. Clear means my list dot clear. If you want to give clear function, then here my list, if you are calling the my list will clear, and only this function will, only this sign will be displayed in the output. So student, this is the list of Python. Next class we will discuss the another topic. Thank you.